Hello everyone, my name is Jacob. I am currently a financial analyst in Los Angeles, California. My favorite hobby is playing sports, specifically basketball. I joined the Shifu Amazon program in September of 2023 after finding out about the program through Justin's Instagram. I decided to join the program because I wanted to learn how to sell on Amazon as a way to make extra passive income and hopefully one day be able to quit my 9 to 5 so I can take back my time and spend it elsewhere where on things that are more important to me like spending time with family, traveling, and playing sports. The motivation to start this journey comes from my family and my future kids. I chose to start an Amazon FBA private labeling business because I've seen how much Amazon have grown over the years and just so many people are buying things off of Amazon, so there's definitely potential to make money, but I just didn't know how to get started, and that's why I decided to join the AMZ Shifu program. The idea of starting an Amazon business was always there for me, I just never went for it due to the lack of knowledge and experience, and I also didn't want to end up losing a lot of time and a lot of money. When I first joined the program, the first thing I did was work on my mindset. There were required readings that the Shifu have laid out, and one of the first books that I read was Atomic Habits. This was a great book because it really taught you how to be self-aware of your current habits, and they lay out steps on how to cut out the bad habits and start developing good habits. I also got to see the roadmap to success that the Shifus have laid out, step-by-step process on how to become successful in the Amazon FBA private label business. At the time of this video, I've completed the first step of the process, which is doing product research to find your winning product. He's making $248,000, and he has 423 reviews, and he's a China seller.
I see.
I spent a month on product research. I was doing consistently on average 4 hours a day, 20 hours a week for a month straight. And after a month, I found my winning product. And since I've joined, I've also developed new habits, such as waking up early as 5 a.m., taking cold showers, sticking to a daily schedule, and also saying no to things that didn't provide value to what I was trying to accomplish. One of the things that impressed me about the Shifus is that, they're extremely humble and they always check up on you during the weekly calls to make sure that you're on the right track and if you need help. If you're someone who is looking to start a business but is afraid to fail or just need proper guidance on the journey, I would say, first off, you really need to work on your mindset, develop good habits, and most importantly, find someone who has done it all before to teach you. For me, that was the Amazon Shifu program. So this is just the beginning of my journey, but I feel really confident to move forward because of the support from the Shifus. So I just want to say thank you to the Amazon Shifu family for the support and knowledge thus far on this journey, and I'm looking forward to continuing to grow and move forward in the program with you guys behind my back. Thank you.